This one got hit in this back corner. I'm gonna measure the frame.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the
So I have a 2017 Jeep Wrangler or Rubicon or whatever they call these 4-door things. This one got hit in this back corner. I'm gonna measure the frame. I pushed right here, and I don't know if the frame might have a little diamond in it from shifting like that. I'm gonna check it and see, and then I will go from there. Alright, so I have to pick 5 points in the center section of the car here in order to match our measuring system to the vehicle so it knows where it's sitting. And then I could go and make my measurements and make sure everything's square, make sure the frame's good or it needs pulled and repaired. Find out here in a minute. Alright, I got this frame all measured out. Turns out the frame's actually perfect. There's nothing, no diamond in it or anything. It's just crushed right here on this cross member here. I actually have a new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start cutting this, get this one cut off and get this new one put on there. And then it has repair on this back panel right here. That's about all this one is. Well, I got the cross member all cut off. While it's off, I'm gonna go ahead and repair this. Pushed in right through here. I'm gonna repair this now before I weld the new one on, just because it's easier to get all this with that bar out of my way. And so I'm gonna knock this out, then I'll fit the new bar up and get it welded on. So since I moved the vehicle when I was working on it a little bit, so I have to recenter it because the machine's not matched to the frame anymore since I moved it. And then I'm gonna measure that back bar. All right, I double checked my measurements on this. I'm gonna go ahead and get this welded on. All right, I got the bar all welded on, finished up. I'm gonna send this one over to paint so they can paint all this, and it gets a new rear gate as well. And that's a wrap on this one.